Well, you know what they say, if you've got lemons, make lemonade. I bought a bag of these small, beautiful lemons, and the first thing that came to mind was baking lemon bars in my toaster oven. I could say easy as pie, but I think it would be more appropriate to say easy as lemon bars. I'm starting with a cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, very important, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/2 cup of softened butter. Here's my pan, and by the way, I am preheating my toaster oven to 350 degrees. I line this pan with foil. It'll make the bars easier to get out of the pan later. And I have put some butter on that foil too, just a nice thin little layer. I'm going to mix this all around until the dough comes together. That's sort of like when you pinch it, it sticks together. I think my hand is going to work the best to make this a nice, even layer. Popping the crust into the toaster oven. And while that crust is baking, I'm going to start making the filling, starting with a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, a pinch of salt, and I'm just going to work this lemon zest into the dry ingredients. Now I'm adding 2 beaten eggs, 2/3 of a cup of fresh lemon juice. Mixing well. That was about 11 minutes. It smells so good. Got a little brown in that corner, I think, just because maybe the crust was a little thin there. I'm pouring in the filling. Popping the pan back into the toaster oven. So that was 15 minutes at 350. Now I'm going to let this pan cool and then put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. Now it's cool enough to cut into bars. Sprinkling with powdered sugar. A wonderful, really sweet tart treat. There are over 250 wonderful recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven Cookbook, which you can get anywhere online, at your favorite bookstore, or check it out at your library. And if you're thinking of getting a toaster oven, there's good guidelines in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven Cookbook for you to determine what is the best toaster oven for you. Oh, I love that lemony flavor.